thu thanga kim zoin TBUC Hall EBCC Church lailam venga tuni March ni som kumsang ni som ni leguk sun madak som nakhata panin blog level observance and workshop on International Women's Day 2026 kichi nei nom hi there is a neih le nabert churachanpur le MSRLM BMMU lam ka sauti di blog ki thoa nei hiya wai huna Sri Anunya Anan ISSDO video lamka south and lanwati di blogs in chief guest chinatawapin PC lal nunpuya lead district manager LDM churachanpur guest of honor hinato awabana lamka sauti di blog sunga self help group tom minwa po hi Waihon pastor go tunlian local pastor EBCC lailom vengin thumna to hongin lun kholian hauke block in church lamka sauti di block in vaidon na bana guest le resource person te pulak na nein patoi na hun line chief guest in SHG stall bola hong khain en kwal hi hunjat suin obi suikhom VLF apan special number omin kimboy happy na SHG apan success story sharing omin diktat na SHG Vietnam South in SHG meeting proceedings to kisai drama la na neu hi why hona resource person ti zamlon mangzo DMM MSR LM churachanpur and perzolin reimaging MSRLM visions and missions to kisai hun line bakmang S DDM Nabar Churachanpur Women Entrepreneurs Driving Economics Growth Bana Say Kulun Kongsai SMMFI MSRLM in Women Leadership in the 21st Century Breaking Barriers and Building Futures Chi to Kisai Hun Lion Chingtianoi Member Mom Self Help Group Apan Special Number Oma Guest Apan Tugenda Omin Hunto Pa El Zam Khanmang BMT Lamkasau TD Blockin Kipa Tugenin Niam Tian Ngai Treasurer EWMUCOS Limited CLFin thumna in hun kha khi
opportunity bang ai kele support ai kele imwan na trust de yak chiang ina I khotang itale memala itale khan to na de bang ai kele hausan na de ne na sumle baya ne na de bang hong bia ai chi again na ai India is the population. India population is 48% home nume ahia. Why tinggal Indian economy active taka ki engage is tam het kaya nume le active taka Indian economy ha participation hi toma malai